Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CBSE Class 12th Maths Syllabus 2023 to 2024. CBSE Class 12th Maths Syllabus 2023 to 2024 has been released by the board. Students can download the Class 12th Maths Syllabus NCERT PDF from the official website, which is cbseacademic.nic.in. The Class 12 Maths Syllabus contains total 13 chapters divided into 6 units. The maximum weightage is carried by unit Calculus. This unit alone carries 35 marks out of the total 80 marks for the theory paper. Vectors and algebra are the next major units in CBSE Class 12 Maths Syllabus 2023 to 2024. CBSE Class 12 Maths exam carries a total of 100 marks. Maximum marks carried for a theory paper are 80, while 20 marks are carried by the internal assessment. Students need to score at least 33% marks to pass the CBSE Class 12th Math exam. Let's check the CBSE Class 12th Maths chapter-wise weightage. Relations and function will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Algebra will carry a weightage of 10 marks. Calculus will carry a weightage of 35 marks. Vectors and three-dimensional geometry will carry a weightage of 14 marks. Linear programming will carry a weightage of 5 marks. Probability will carry a weightage of 8 marks. Let's check what are the important topics of Unit 1 in Relations and Functions. In Relations and Functions, reflexive, symmetrics, transitive and equivalence relations, one-to-one and on-to functions, definition, range, domain, principal value branch, graph of inverse trigonometric functions. In inverse trigonometric functions, definition, range, domain, principal value branch, graph of inverse trigonometric functions. Let's check what are the important topics in Unit 2 Algebra. In matrix, important topics: concept, notation, order, equality, types of matrix, zero and identity matrix, transpose of matrix, symmetrics and skew symmetrics matrix, simple properties of addition, multiplication and scalar multiplication, non-commutativity of multiplication of matrix and existence of non-zero matrix whose product is the zero matrix. In determinants, the determinants of a square matrix up to 3 by 3 matrix, minors, cofactors and applications of determinants, adjoint and inverse of a square matrix, consistency, inconsistency and number of solutions. Let's take the important topics of Unit 3 Calculus. In continuity and differentiability, the topics are continuity and differentiability, chain rule, derivative of inverse trigonometric functions like sin 1x, cos 1x and tan 1x, derivative of implicit functions, concept of exponential and logarithmic functions, derivatives of logarithmic and exponential functions, logarithmic differentiation, derivative of functions expressed in parametric forms, second order derivatives. In applications of derivatives, important topics are applications of derivatives, rate of change bodies, increasing or decreasing functions, maxima and minima, first derivative test, motivated geometrically, and second derivative test given as provable tool. Simple problems that illustrate basic principles and understanding of the subject as well as real life situations. In integrals, integration as universe process of differentiation, integration of a variety of functions by substitutions, by partial fractions and by parts. Fundamental theorem of calculus without proof. Basic properties of definite integrals and evaluation of definite integrals. Applications in finding the area under simple curves, especially lines, circles, parabolas, ellipses in standard form only. In application of derivatives, the important topics are definition, order and degree, journal and particular solution of a differential equation, solution of differential equations by method of separation of variables, solution of homogeneous differential equation of first order and first degree. Let's check the Unit 4 Vectors and three-dimensional geometry. In vectors, the topics are vectors and scalars, magnitude and direction of a vector, direction, cosines and direction ratios of a vector, types of vector, equal, unit, zero, parallel and scalar vectors, position vectors of a point, negative of a vector, components of a vector, addition of a vectors, multiplication of a vector by a scalar, position vector of a point, dividing a line segment in a given ratio. In three-dimensional geometry, direction, cosines and direction ratios of a line joining two points, Cartesian equation and vector equation of a line, skew lines, shortest distance between two lines, angle between two lines. Let's check the important topics of linear programming and probability. In linear programming, important topics are introduction related terminologies such as constraints, objective function, optimization, graphical method of a solution for problems in two variables, feasible and infeasible regions, bounded or unbounded, feasible and infeasible solutions, optimal feasible solution up to three non-trivial constraints. In probability, important topics are conditional probability, multiplication theorem on probability independent events, total probability, bias theorem, random variable and its probability distribution, mean of random variable. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 question paper pattern 2023 to 2024. In CBSE Class 12 Math question paper, remembering and understanding based questions will carry 44 marks, applying will carry 20 marks, and analyzing, evaluating, and creating based question will carry a weightage of 16 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Maths book. The IIT Mathematics by ML Khanna. Senior Secondary School Math 12 by RS Agrawal. Problem Plus in IIT Mathematics by A. Das Gupta. Solutions of Objective Mathematics with Chapters Test by Dhanpat Rai. CBSE Chapter Wise Solution Mathematics by Hemant Malhotra. CBSE Examination Mathematics by 15 Sample Question Papers by Prem Kumar. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.